we're going to explore the top sights to see in Kaua'i. Known as the Garden Isle, Kaua'i is the oldest and fourth largest island in the Hawaiian chain. We're docked in Nauwiliwili for 2 days on an NCL cruise. We're going to take 3 excursions through the cruise line, and we'll also show you what's within walking distance from the cruise port. The first excursion we're taking is to Waimea Canyon. It's a 5-hour guided tour that also has a few other points of interest on the way to the canyon. At the port, they have a warehouse that you go through to find your excursion group, and the motor coaches are lined up in the parking lot. We drove to the southern coast to see Spouting Horn. This dramatic blowhole shoots ocean water up to 50 feet in the air through a natural lava tube. The best time to visit is during high tide and late afternoon. If you're visiting this area on your own, there's a nice beach near here, Poipu Beach. It's a great spot for wildlife. You can see monk seals and sea turtles. There's a shallow reef area that's great for snorkeling. After Spouting Horn, we drove through the artsy Hanapepe town.
This is the old Hanapepe Hotel. This is where they made that movie with Richard Tate, The Thornbirds, and Flight of the Intruder. This town was also the scene, the background scene from Lilo and Stitch. The pictures that, like her house and her going to school. It was all based around the Hanapepe town.
Waimea Canyon is known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. The canyon is 10 miles long and 3,000 feet deep. There are several lookout points and hiking trails here, and beautiful waterfalls. This area was featured in Jurassic Park and many other movies.
So the ollie that I'm doing right now, or that I just did, like I said to the people on my bus, but if you're not a part of it, it is to be able to ask permission to dwell upon the beauties that Mother Nature gives us to see every day. We cannot come to some place like this without giving it the love and respect that it deserves. And not just places like this, but places throughout the world. Yeah?
We enjoyed the tour and learned a lot about the native culture from our guide. The cruise port in Nauwiliwili is walkable into town, and they have free shuttles. The van takes you to the strip mall on the south side of the street. It has an ABC store, souvenir shops, and an Irish pub, the Naughty Rooster. We stopped in for a beer. There's a Marriott Beach Club with a koi pond that you can visit, and Duke's Restaurant. Across the street is a mall with a bakery, shops, and restaurants. The trolley drops off and picks up on the far side of the mall. We took the Wailua River and Fern Grotto excursion. This tour takes 3.5 hours. You meet up in the warehouse at the port and take a coach, first to a waterfall and then to a riverboat on the Wailua River. We stopped at Opaka'a Falls. It's a 150-foot waterfall. The name means rolling shrimp that were once abundant in the stream. There was a local woman selling baked goods, so we got some macadamia nut banana bread. Then we went to the riverboat. They played Hawaiian music and danced as we went 2 miles down the river. We reached the Wailua River State Park and walked along the scenic path with bamboo trees and beautiful flowers. The Fern Grotto is a natural lava rock grotto that is famous for the lush hanging ferns. This is a popular wedding venue. It was a nice, relaxing tour. We went to the Luau Kalamaku. It's a 4-hour excursion. You get picked up at the port, and the luau is right across the main highway near the cruise port. There are artists with crafts for sale. Women get traditional orchid leis and men get shell necklaces. You are in line to take photos and then you're escorted to your assigned table. Then you can get a drink at the bar and walk around the grounds. An imu is an in-ground oven, the traditional method used for Hawaiian luau's, to slow roast a pig. The train arrival signals the unveiling.
Welcome to Luau Kalamaku and welcome to my kitchen. So it's about 700 to 800 degrees. Not there. That was his last meal. All right, here we go, guys. All right.
They call each table to head to the buffet and get a plate of food. Then the show begins. avoid the luau. It's something you should do at least once when visiting the Hawaiian Islands. Another popular thing to see in Kaua'i is the Nepali coast. This area was featured in Jurassic Park. You can find boat tours and helicopter tours to see this part of the island. One of the helicopter tours actually lands at the waterfalls like they did in the movie. Kaua'i has the most dramatic and beautiful landscapes. They're natural and untouched. It was really great to spend a couple of days on each of the islands we visited. We got to see so much of this tropical paradise. Thanks for watching Taste for Travel. Please subscribe to see all our latest travel tours, tips, and reviews. Cheers!